Yung para lang, oo, mas maswerte pa nga daw yung pianista kasi binibigyan ng tip para i-play yung gustong patugtog. Pero yung kanya, everybody would be talking over her, nobody would really be watching her. In essence, you're a human being who's being made to be background music. Ayun, di ba? And then, ang nangyari was, there was this guy that started paying attention to her. And then sinabi ko, hello? Di mo siya nakilala? Parang ano ba naman? Tapos sinabi niya, and then na-realize ko, oo nga naman, merong segment ng population natin na care nila sa current events, di ba? Care nila sa kung sinong nakaposisyon at mas lalong care nila kung sino yung asawa nito. So, it was really possible na yung start di nakilala. So, yun lang ang merong kasi, EJ, yun yung may clear na kwento. The rest, I think, it was really left vague. Because by giving kwentos or by giving stories, you're already judging. And I think it was trying to avoid that.
Okay. More questions, please. Ayan I think si Chikanes, ayan Chikanes, si Albert, he has a question. Hoy, nag-tweet ka, nasabi mo. Maraming tanong sa Instagram mo.
Hi po, good afternoon, Mrs. My question is, what's your defining moment as an actress?
This move. Ganon. Totoo talaga. Kasi first time nangyari na jaded kasi jaded si Direk Chito, ang dami na niyang nakita. Diba? Lahat ng pinakamagaling na handle na niya. Mas lalong jaded ang AD at ang mga DOP at yung mga boys. Kasi they've seen everything. They know the process. But there was one scene, well actually two scenes, na kami ni Kim, nagyakapan na lang sa ko, napaiyak natin sila. So sabi ko, sabi ni Direk Chito, balik ka ulit na na ganyan na marami kang hugot, ganda. Okay, sabi ko, okay Direk, I'll try. So, sabi niya na you've lived life So yun, siguro yun. And I think maturity gives you that. Kasi you've had your heart broken, you've broken enough hearts. So you already know.
Thank you. And why do you think there is a market or there is a big market for mistresses movies?
Nasabi ko na to, and huwag lang mong magalit sa akin. Sorry, Pope Francis na nasa America ngayon. No, we don't have to force it. I thought that there were 2 countries left in the world, and then I was just told na we're the only one left with no divorce. So, yun, it's the situation. And kasi, di ba, just look at our family. I have 3 older sisters who have been married talaga. Si ate going 32 years. Pinky will be 30 years. My sister Viel just celebrated her 2025. Lahat sila kahaba. Lahat nagtagal, nagpahala. So, not everybody's blessed like them. And here, diba, nangyayari talaga to kasi wala tayong closure na mas mabilis. Sana nga, totoo na yung sinabi na may expedite ang annulment, pwede nang hindi na the church annulment, diba, sinabi na hindi na kailangan dumaan all the way to Rome, pwede nang dito, locally. Maybe by doing that, you will lessen the instance. Kasi as of now, diba, bawal eh. So, diba yung bawal yun yung gusto. So, pag lumuwag doon, mas may fear. Kasi diba, sa States naman, alam niyo yan, all the Hollywood stars, oras na may infidelity, look, hiwalay na kagad. Diba? And just a sniff of it, diba? And right away, they're parting ways. So I think that's why. Let's be honest about it. I am not advocating divorce because as much as possible, if you go into a commitment, it's a binding contract, you don't want to fail.
Yes. Yeah.
But let's not really make it talaga a living hell for everybody involved.
Okay. And yung last question ko po is, after doing the movie, what do you think is the most basic rule that mistresses should follow?
lahat na lang, for everybody. Whether you're a mistress or, well, to anybody who will choose to love. Love with open eyes. Yun lang, huwag magbulag-bulagan sa pag-ibig. Kasi, masarap gawin yun eh. Oh, di ba? Madali naman talaga eh. Hello. Oh, sarap tanggalin ng contacts. So, yun ang aking ano lang, for everybody in general, when you choose to love, go in it with open eyes.
Thanks, dear.
Thanks, Miss Chris. Okay, here's another question.
Hi, Miss Chris. Ito po, isang question lang po. Hypothetical question po.
What's your name?
I'm Rain po.
Hi, Rain.
Hello po. How would you react po if you discover that your husband had a mistress po? And what if that mistress happens to be gay?
Okay, so, kasi sabi ni Boy sa akin dati, crazy loyal daw ako talaga. May ganun daw ako na sabi niya, in a way, it's good. Because sabi niya, you're loyal to a fault. But then the problem is when you're loyal to a fault, you expect that same amount of loyalty. And you can't accept pag hindi isukli sa yung ganon. Yung totoo, kasi natanong na ako dyan eh, na would you ever consider a relationship with someone? Kasi di ba all my best friends are gay. So sinabi, can you go into a relationship with a man who told you na, yes, ito yun, ito yung, I have this tendency, I've had this and all. Number one kong best friends kami na. Best friends na, yun na, yung parang, ayoko naman to share the bed na. But I think we can stay best friends.
No.
Hindi, no, sinabi niya, ikaw asawa, di ba? Pero kung sana from the start, I knew, wala lang lokohan. Kasi para from the start, nung pinasok ko, alam ko na baka ito yung mangyari. Tapos, di ba, sometimes, marriage naman turns into companionship.
Yes.
Huwag lang niya ako gawing tanga. And dapat di ba dapat good provider siya? Kasi, di ba parang, alam nga naman, yung partner niya, binila niya sa Forbes. Tapos ako nagbabayad ng bill sa amin. Hello. Yun na, I can accept it if there's honesty. So in that case, hindi na mistress kasi tinanggap ko na.
Okay po, thank you po.
May encounter ka na po with a real mistress? Meron ka na bang nakausap? May kilala ka po ba?
PJ naman.
So,
So, pagka high profile ng mga kaibigan ko, wag ko na yan sagutin.
Okay. Here's more questions in the back. Ayan, si Candice has a question.
Ngayon na nagawa mo na itong pelikula, what would you rather be? A wife or a mistress?
A husband. True, because you get to choose. Wala kang choice dun eh. Unfair, di ba? Yung lalaki had a choice. He could choose to be good and stay faithful, or he could choose to fool around. But the wife had no choice. The mistress also only will ultimately have the choice later on when it dawns on you na how long can you be sharing? And how long can it be na matatanggap mo yun? So, I'd like to be neither. If the choice is meron kang kakashare, wag na lang. Thank you.
Madam, kasi parang ang connotation, financial stability kaya nagre-resort yung mga babae to becoming mistresses.
In this movie, hindi eh. Kasi si Stella, played by Iza, is a lawyer. Chloe is already a boss in advertising, but is already being given the opportunity to head the office in Vietnam, and yet she's hesitating because ayaw niyang iwan yung partner niya. Si Sheena yung obviously hindi siya nagsimulang mayaman. She's Charlie, but she ends up the richest because she has a Chinese partner who finungsyo yung mukha niya at sinabi, itong babae ito magdadala ng swerte sa iyo. At totoo naman, Lucky Moon, yun daw yung tawag doon. So, nagkaroon talaga ng swerte.
Stars with the moon.
So, hindi rin talaga. Kasi, very clear dun sa movie na yung character ni Ina, nung dinala namin para mag-shopping, Sinabi niya, ang mahal naman ito. Eh, yung buong outfit ko, 1,000. May bag, may shoes, may outfit na, may shorts, may shirt na. Tapos, itong gusto mong pabiling dress sa akin, 10,000.
Okay.
Tapos, I think lahat kayo, especially the women, makaka-identify din sa one scene ni Claudine at ni Kim na namimili sila ng bag. Because, di ba, sa mga kababaihan daw, your bag is a statement of who you are. So, I think lahat matatawa dahil may explanation dyan ng leveling ng bag.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Here's a question from Ian.
Hello. Hi, Ayan.
Ayan, not Ian.
Ah, sorry, Ian.
Yes, Ayan.
Okay, hi. Question ko lang, but feeling ko parang magandang addition si Gina Krug sa movie.
You know, she's fun. Kasi she's a breath of fresh air. She's unexpected. And yun, masaya yung unexpected. Kasi di ba she knows this naman eh. Nasabi niya para daw siyang yung sa Sesame Street na one of these things is not like the other. Oo. And, totoo. Kasi di ba, hindi naman minsan binabase yan sa ganda. Kasi, ang dalos kaya nangyayari na mas maganda yung wife. Pero yung iba, di ba, parang lahat tayo magtataka, ano ba yung nangyari dyan? Ano yun? So, yun. Siya yung sagot. Doon sa tanong natin, ano nangyari? Her comic timing is superb. Because until now, she's Ichiban ba yun? In San Francisco?
Sa Daly City.
Parang ganun ata. In the Bay Area, meron pa rin siya talagang 2-3 times a week na gig doon. So fresh.
Ayun. Kamusta naman po si Claudine? Kasi di ba, this is your work again with her from Suko. Kamusta po siya ngayon na parang nagka-comeback po siya? Kamusta siya magtrabaho?
We have one scene na sabi ko, kung sa filmography ko, I'll only have one scene. Yung scene na yun sana, ang ilagay. Kasi one continuous take. As in, nag-steady cam, sumunod. Nag-steady sa aming dalawa. Nagbitawan ng hindi siya yung typical na confrontation na alam natin confrontation na nagtulakan sa pool, nagsapo na tayo. Di ba ganun yun? O nagtapo na ng wine, wala. It was all words. But those words were so powerful. And you can only do that if the actress you're working with is as superb as Claudine Barreto. And parang minura niya ako mula ulo hanggang paa. Okay lang. Siya si Claudine. At magandang lumabas talaga. Yung parang, again, kung yung sa isang eksena na napaiyak namin, ito yung pumalakpak sila. Kaya parang, and yun, again, from Star Cinema crew, na pinaka-shaded na, after, yung nag-audio, sinabi sa akin, Madam ang bongga. So, thank you. Kaya, abangan niyo yun. Oo. Nadagdagan ng last day niya.
Baka mo nominate kayong lahat for Best Actress.
Baka kasi.
Kasi so far,
ensemble siya eh. So mahirap yun, di ba? Sana meron nga tayong para tayong Screen Actors Guild na merong award for Best Ensemble. Yun, amin yun, for sure.
Ayun po, next po kasi, di ba, since you have 5 women here, tapos, sa ganitong klaseng cast, merong isang nahihiwalay yung, parang siya nagiging heart ng movie, siya nagiging, parang positive side ng pagiging ganitong premise ng storyline.
That's Stella.
Iza.
Yes. There's, it's, the journey begins and ends with Georgia, myself, and Ina. Kami yung makikita niyo from beginning to the end. Pero yung may puso at yung may... Ayaw mo yan, di ba? Ayaw mo maging mistress. Pero kung magiging mistress ka man lang din, lahat i-wish, sana ako si Stella. Kasi pwede pa lang through love. And lahat mag-wish na, please, huwag mo akong gawin si Chloe. Kasi sinabi ko nga na, Claudine was so brave to accept the role as someone used as the poster child of this is what you do not want to happen to you. Na in stark contrast to Stella na si Claudine yung character